As we come together in the presence of God to witness the marriage of Jonty and Flo.
To be my husband.
And therefore proclaim their husband and wife.
Over the last few months, since they became engaged, we've seen an extraordinary set of events. Despite all of these differing views, we've been very happed by Flo Jonty's consistency and certainty that they will not allow a global pandemic to get in the way of their commitment to marriage.
And before wrapping up, I think there is a certain someone that I should probably say a few words about. My new wife, Mrs. Flo Jonty. Thank you for all your hard work you have put in to make this day so special. Thank you for marrying me, and thank you for being my best friend. Even though you are adamant I'm not one of yours.
Hi Flo, lovely to see you today. Congratulations, looking gorgeous. Glad to be part of it. Love you lots.
Have a wonderful honeymoon. Love you, babe.
Flo and Jonty, we are thinking of you. We're so happy with you on your path together. Congratulations.
Lots of love to you both and the best wishes for tomorrow. And cheers to you both. Just one little thing. We couldn't wait. I'm afraid we finished this small bottle in celebration of you two.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jonty and Flo, the new Mr. and Mrs. Filer.
Jonty, your speech was unbelievable. Well done, fella. Obviously been practicing in lockdown. See you guys soon.
Hi, I'm Jonty. Here we are waiting for you outside the church. We are so thrilled and excited for you. You're going to have a fabulous day. And we all send you lots and lots of love. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Jonty and Flo.
Hope you guys had a great day. Hope to see you soon.
Congratulations and best wishes to Jonty and Flo. Lots of love from the Coles in Washington.
Dearest Flo and Jonty, wishing you a long and happy life together. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy wedding day!
Happy wedding day!
From
Jonty and Flo. We wish we could be there, have the best day ever, and we can't wait to watch.
No, we can't. All the way from Canada. 7 a.m.
Have a great day, guys.
Have a great time.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. And a wonderful rest of your life together.
We love you.
Bye.